Time often drags during mundane activities like work and school, but there are several strategies to make time go by faster. One effective method is time blocking, where you break your day into manageable chunks to enhance focus and reduce clock watching. Additionally, distracting yourself with tasks like making up top 10 lists or listening to background music, preferably instrumental, can help time pass more quickly. Engaging in smaller tasks and practicing mindfulness, along with regular exercise and a healthy diet, can also improve productivity. Try incorporating short, enjoyable activities into your schedule, like texting a friend or watching a funny video, which can break the monotony and speed up your internal clock. Lastly, immersing yourself in a gripping book can make hours fly by, so consider exploring different genres to find what captivates you.